I gave myself a challenge. Can I make $500 in just one day using only AI? Let's find out. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to research trending products. So I asked the chatbot, what are some trending products that I can sell online to make some quick cash? And boom, it spit me out 5 different trending products. One of them was a coloring book for adults. Now, coloring books, they're not really my thing, but hey, I'm here to make some money, so let's roll with it. Next up, I hopped on over to Canva AI. It's like Canva, but with AI, and I started a new design. I asked the AI to make me a coloring book cover for adults using this art style. And then I just let the AI do its thing. After that, I did the same thing again and again until I had 20 different covers. Now, if you want to skip all this and just get straight to the fun part, you can. You can upload your own images to Canva AI, and it will help you create designs based on those images. But I don't have any images, so I used Midjourney. If you don't know what Midjourney is, it's an AI art generator. All I did was hop into Midjourney, and I typed in the exact prompt that I used in Canvas AI, and just like that, I had 20 different images to use for my coloring book. Once I had all the covers ready, I went to Etsy, Redbubble, and Printify, and I uploaded my designs and listed them for sale. Now, I didn't spend too much time on this because I wanted to test something. I just uploaded all my products, and I set my price at 99 cents for all of them. This way, I could sell as many copies as possible and maximize my profits. After that, I went to Pictory AI, which is an AI social media video maker. I created a video ad for my new coloring book, and I chose the right size for each platform. After that, I hit Generate, and I let Pictory AI do its thing. Once I had my video ads ready, I went to all the social media platforms, and I started posting my ads. Let's fast forward a few hours, and let's see how much money I made. So after 24 hours, I made $500 in orders. Now, was it pure profit? No, but it proved something. With AI, making money is faster than ever. Now, would you try this side hustle? Let me know down below. Thank you for watching.